started my life in 1952, born, and I finished my education as a science graduate in 1974 from Rajasthan University, and then I came to Bangalore in 1976 and started my career as a canteen contractor in ASC Center South, which we have stopped in 1988 and started the business as a Dinesh Alloys and engineer, steel business we started, and then Maharshi Alloys and Steels we started in 1992-93. After that we were supplying material to this Phoenic Forging Private Limited, and 2005-06 we have taken over it partially, and 2009 we have taken over it 100%, and like that we started our industrial business. Then after getting full control on the unit, we, as per the demand of our customers, because our customer always wanted fully finished components for the assembly, so we started heat treatment and this machining also, and finally we shifted it to the Vasant Narsapura industrial area. At present we are running this show at Vasant Narsapura industrial area as per the customer's requirement, because they want a good infrastructure, and we are able to do it by the grace of God.
Hello friends, welcome to Phoenic Forging Private Limited. This company was established in the year 1991 with a single forging hammer and an installed capacity of 1,500 metric ton per annum. And come to 2020, today we have moved to a new facility in Tumkur with an installed capacity of 12,000 metric tons per annum. It's coupled with a fully automated heat treatment plant and all other supporting machines to supply fully finished parts to our esteemed customers. We cater to the automotive segment, the agricultural segment, construction bridge industry, hydraulic segment, and many more.